Hello friends. Chemcon Specialty Chemicals is a niche specialty chemical manufacturer making pharmaceutical chemicals and oil well completion chemicals. In pharmaceutical chemicals, the company makes HMDS and CMIC, and in oil well completion chemicals, the company makes bromides. Chemcon is now the largest and sometimes only manufacturer in India for its products. Chemcon is one of the fastest growing company with revenue growing 84% CAGR in last 3 years. In this video, we will look at the IPO details and analyze the draft prospectus to understand the business model and financials of Chemcon Specialty Chemical. As per the offer document, the Chemcon is looking to raise a capital of 1,750 million and the promoters will be selling 4.3 million shares via OFS route. Of 1,750 million raised via fresh issue, 452 million will be utilized for capex towards the expansion of manufacturing facility. 900 million will be used to meet the working capital requirements, and remaining will be utilized for general corporate purposes. Now, let's look at the business in detail. The Chemcon manufactures pharmaceutical intermediates such as HMDS and CMIC in pharma division. The pharma intermediates are basic chemicals used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. In a pharma value chain, intermediates are used to make APIs, and from APIs the formulations are made. The formulations is what we generally buy from in pharmacies. HMDS is the largest product for Chemcon and the company gets 40% revenue from HMDS. HMDS is used as an intermediate to manufacture antibiotics and antiviral drugs. While HMDS is also widely used in semiconductor electronics industry and rubber industry, Chemcon manufactures only pharma grade HMDS as of now. Chemcon is the only manufacturer of HMDS in India. The company meets near 50% of demand and remaining is imported from China and Germany. The revenue from HMDS increased from 239 million in 2017 to 1,224 million in 2019. This is aided by the price increase of HMDS, with prices increasing near 3 times in 3 years. As per the draft prospectus, the Chemcon has an opportunity to grow this segment by 20% CAGR for the period 2018 to 2023. Next big product for Chemcon is CMIC. Chemcon is the second largest producer of CMIC worldwide with 28% production market share. Company is also the largest producer of CMIC in India with 62% market share. CMIC is used in pharma industry as an HIV and HPV intermediate. The company gets near 50% revenue from CMIC. As per the draft prospectus, Chemcon has an opportunity to grow this segment by 25% for 2018 to 2023 period. The third and final big product for Chemcon is bromides, which is used as an oil well completion chemicals. Oil well completion chemicals is very critical in oil well completion. The company makes 3 types of bromides: calcium bromide, zinc bromides and sodium bromides. The company gets near 35% revenue from oil well completion chemicals. Chemcon is only manufacturer for zinc bromides and largest manufacturer of calcium bromides in India. With the IPO proceeds, the Chemcon is looking to near triple the current capacity. The company also gets near 4% revenue from other pharma chemicals and 3% revenue from sale of services. Looking at the financials, the revenue for the company grew 83.95% CAGR from 2017 to 2019, with revenue growing from 898 million to 3,041 million. The EBITDA grew from 86 million to 679 million, with growing at 180% CAGR. The PAT grew from 28.24 million to 430 million, with PAT growing at 290% CAGR. EBITDA margin is at 22.3 versus 9.6 in 2017. PAT margin is at 14.15%. ROE is at 44.94% versus 10.44% in 2017. ROCE is at 55.47%. Also, the two important thing to note is there is a criminal case against one of the promoter and ex-director, Naresh Vijayakumar Goyal. The CBI court convicted him in 2018. Also, there is a regulatory proceeding against a certain members of promoter group, Naresh Vijayakumar Goyal and Minal Kamal Goyal. These members have filed settlement application with SEBI for violation of takeover regulation and insider trading regulations. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for the more videos